1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, welcome back to Sanati videos. Today we have Gandhi with us from
Alive Vlogs.
Alive Vlogs.
Oh wait, me olvidé algo, la sal.
Oh yeah, she's gonna go get it. We are gonna make slime. Remember we were making slime before. Today we're gonna do it with our friend. She found a new way of make slime in her TikTok. But don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.
We're gonna try to make slime with baby powder and soap and salt. And we gotta close the door, please.
We don't want anybody bothering us.
No.
Okay, good lighting.
So
We're using our spoons to measure.
to measure how much? I'm gonna
So-
just get two.
I'm going to cut.
2 scoops of soap.
So we saw this on TikTok.
3, 4.
And you have to like two. I'm dead.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's enough.
I'm gonna do 2 scoops.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just gonna add it like this.
I
And
think that's enough. That's enough.
Wait, let me do one.
can I try?
5.
That's
Okay,
what
that's good. My turn now. Okay, I am good.
Now use the big powder.
Wait.
Wait, we gotta do it one at a time. Not too slow.
Okay, wait, no, we have to add the salt first. And then add the baby powder.
Oh yeah, we're gonna.
So we had to use like powder. But we didn't have the powder that they asked for, so we decided to make it with
Here
baby
it
powder.
is, 1 scoop of soap, and then another one.
Just add it like that. Just like. So it's gonna turn into water.
Everything.
Okay, I'm just gonna do it this way, easier way.
I'm just throwing.
You're spilling everywhere. Just
Okay, just
Okay, my turn.
who cares? We're gonna clean it.
yeah, guys. I'm gonna wash a little. Wait, I mean
Get your salt.
pepper.
That's salt. That's pink salt.
It better be.
You want to try some?
No. So,
Okay.
he's getting you allergic to. If you see her red face, it's terrible. Cancer.
Just I have makeup on, so.
I'm gonna wash it.
Okay, guys, we're done with this. Now, can you pass me the salt?
Yes. And now baking.
Oh yeah, you have to add like a little
Gotta
bit
mix
of
it.
water.
You gotta add water? Okay. Gotta add a little
1
bit.
cup of water.
One spoon of water.
water.
Okay.
And then you mix. Wait, there's this song on TikTok that be like batelo, 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 batelo.
Yeah, guys. And now we gotta mix. Now we need the baking powder, right? How much?
A lot.
A lot, okay.
Cause you see, mine's already watery, so I have to add more until it's not watery. Like that.
My turn.
Wait, let me do a little more.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
So I think I need a little more water, guys.
No, just one spoon of water.
No, I did.
My slime is turning out.
So you got it before.
My slime is turning out, guys.
Give me some color.
Who cares?
Mine is more. Look.
We could use a purple. We could use a colored pencil.
I got too much water.
Mine's already turning out.
Look at mine.
And guys, we know this is toxic, but we actually know how to do this.
Oh my
I did
god,
this
mine's
before.
just so hard. Mine's just so
I
hard.
have done this. This is like
Guys, it's working. Mine's just turning
wait,
out.
it's actually not turning into slime. It's actually turning to like
hard
putty.
Play-Doh.
yeah, it's turning
turned
like
like putty,
Wait,
actually.
as you see right here. Okay, look, I have a little bubble. Look, a little bit experience. We're doing like a science project like right now. But as you see right here, look how it's gonna turn out. Look, guys, look.
I need a little more water.
Look. Natalie. It melts. It's melting. It's melting.
So it's not really slime, right?
No, it's not.
What do you think? I think we need more baking powder.
It's baby soap.
We need more baby soap, actually.
Yeah, if you want to turn this into a slime, then we need some more.
Because I think it was like too hard.
Look at mine.
We're actually not gonna get in trouble about this, guys, because we told our mom. We shouldn't have done this outside, right?
Actually.
Whoa, look at mine. It's almond.
Okay, now we need
Mine
more
is turning
water.
hard now.
Mine's just turning too soft now.
Yeah, mine's true. It's all like.
Turn it on.
I need like a cup of baby powder.
Okay, I'm starting to mix now.
We're getting pretty good.
I just by accident I spilled some.
Oh, mine just turned. I think we needed more water, not baking powder.
Yeah.
Need more water now.
I'm mixing. I'm starting to mix.
Mine just is. I just need to mix a little more. That's fine.
2 spoons of water. Oh, I think now
I'm
that's
over this.
I don't know.
I think I need more scoop of water.
I think now I need more.
Okay, that's it.
Baking powder.
That's it, guys.
Okay, I think this is the last stuff we're gonna use.
Okay.
If this doesn't work, I'm gonna be disappointed.
Yeah.
It has to be this Play-Doh or putty. If it's not none of those things, I will be just slightly
Say, you have
disappointed.
some powder in that.
Here,
area.
guys.
We have powder on our faces.
You need a little powder.
Okay, guys, I think I'm turning it to putty.
It's okay, right? Guys?
I broke the cup.
Oh my god.
Just mix it for you. You start mixing with your hands.
I can't.
I'm starting to mix it with my hands.
Guys, I don't think this was a good idea because
Yeah, we should have plates.
But yeah,
I think we added too much water.
I think
Yeah.
we added too much baking powder.
That's not baking powder.
Whatever, it's baby.
It's baby soap. Okay, guys. So this is how mine turned out.
Mine turned out. Oh, it's kind
Oh,
of like
it's
slime. It's
kind of
like
like slime
soft
putty.
Play-Doh.
Yeah, but it smells on your it's a science project, but it melts on your hand.
Literally.
I'm gonna show you. Okay, I have it in a bubble. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm wasting this one. So we're gonna let it sit for a little bit, and we're gonna come back.
Yeah.
But I'm done.
I think this is gonna be a separated video, right?
No, because you can literally do it again. You can do another video and
Because
then put
it's
the same
pretty.
video.
This one is pretty long. That's why.
So
So this is gonna be a separated video for my YouTube channel, as you can see.
oh wait, no, the second part should be on my YouTube.
No, I'm not. I'm going to. Oh yeah, the second part should be here. So go to your channel second part. Okay. The second part. Okay. So we are gonna leave and quickly put your phone. Oh guys, mine is
No,
working.
we're
Look.
actually gonna go
Guys, look. Guys, look.
How?
Mine's working. Mine's is working, guys.
How?
I don't know. You just gotta roll it. And get it all the slime that you have and put
Okay, I'm gonna put more powder on my hand.
I don't think you should put powder. Actually, maybe because I put too much powder. Okay.
I can't do it.
Yes.
I don't know, I'm just dancing. I know.
Oh, just to wash my hands.
Yeah.
And that is glue.
It kind of is slime.
Just have to wash my hands. Oh, not like this one.
You did not like it?
I feel like I need more baking powder so it can be like a little hardest and if it gets sticky to my hand.
No, you have to mix it.
I know that's what I was doing so much.
Yeah, guys, look. I'm gonna.
Good idea. I'm gonna sit because it's gonna get melty.
Guys, look. I'm
We
gonna.
should have used a plate, and then we have to clean this.
Yeah, this is a big mess, has it?
Yeah. Her fell in her foot. That barely got saved.
Yep. Oh my gosh, we're making a big mess. I think we should do another one.
Nah.
I need some more soap. It's not really.
Oh my. Literally got stuck.
Guys, if you're watching this video, this does not look like slime.
If we don't come back, we're dead then.
Okay, we're gonna leave and I'm gonna pause the video. Go to her video. What's it called again?
Alive vlogs, and
Alive
we're
Vlogs.
gonna let this go. We're gonna go outside,
That's
and
where
we're
the
gonna
second
let
part's
them.
gonna be.
We're gonna let them like dry a little bit, so it won't be that hard, and we're gonna wash our hands.
Okay, so wait, nothing. Okay, I feel like we need soap. Guys, I think it's working. Mine's is like Play-Doh.
Yours is Play-Doh? Is it melted?
It's not. I don't know. Let me see.
Okay, now let it go. Is it?
I think so. Look.
So we're gonna put this on our little buckets, and we're gonna clean up here. So we're gonna leave them outside for like some minutes, and I'm gonna put more baby powder on my thing.
Yeah, let's see what happens.
So we can see what happens to it again.
Guys, everybody wash your hands.
Yeah, we're gonna wash our hands.
I just
Okay.
washed my hands.
Just a little bit, and that's it. Just don't put more water.
Look.
Okay. Look.
Ready? Let's clean up.
So we're gonna leave our things right here.
Now let's wash everything.
No, stop. We're cleaning, and we're gonna go outside, and we're going. When we go outside, we're gonna wait for the second part. Okay? We're gonna say bye and stuff, and then we're gonna go to the second part.
This is gonna be separated because it is a long video, and we are editing.
Okay?
It's so hard to edit.
Okay? My mom knows how to edit.
Yeah, that's so hard to edit.
If you're a kid.
Guys, I think
I'm
we're
not a kid, but
I know how to edit. I have to clean the floor now.
Huh? She has to clean the floor. She dropped it in the floor, actually. But I think it's my mom cleaned up.
don't mind that.
Don't mind that. That's
Yes,
always like that.
That's what happens to our food sometimes.
Yeah, when they always cook, that happens.
Don't mind it. It's not fire.
It's keeping nice to try.
Bye guys. Don't
So
forget
we're
to
gonna go
subscribe.
outside and leave them outside.
Yeah. Don't forget to. We'll do the second part of her phone, right?
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye guys.
Putting them outside.
Comment.